Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and it's day 10 of our Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. So I am so excited to see what this is because I'm just baffled. Usually I can guess pretty well. This is weird though because it is soft on the bottom and harder on top, and I don't know, I'll just have to see what it is. Before we open this though, I just want to say yesterday I did look up the cost of the scissors and I couldn't find them on Missouri Star's website, but I did find them on other websites and they're around $8, between $6 and $8. So I'm going to put them at $7 for the cost, okay? And I have that updated in the description as well. So let's see what today is. I am so curious about this. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. This is awesome. Okay, so we have a pom-pom bag tag instructions. Okay, I'll take out the thing that's not making me laugh first. Some yarn, if I can get it out. Right here. And this is Cascade, so it's really soft, very soft yarn. And a crochet hook. Oh, and I don't think I have this size. I do crochet, so I don't have this little itty bitty one though. This, I'm not sure what size it is. I'll put it up on the screen if I can figure it out. It doesn't even have a marking of what size, but it's small. And the thing that was making me laugh is this cutout of Jenny. Oh my gosh, this is hysterical. Now, I'm assuming we use Jenny to make this, and I bet we wrap around her hands that are up. I think that's hysterical. This is so funny. This is like very funny. Such a cute tool, and just I like it. Now, some people might really not like this, especially since it isn't really quilt related. But how cute is this? This just makes me laugh. I love it. So anyway, that's a really great gift. I like it just because I got a chuckle, and I think that she could be a mascot. She could sit somewhere. I don't know. Could make a little stand for her or something, and she could just hang out, and she almost looks like she's cheering me on, okay, as I sew. So sometimes I need that. I love this. This is really, really cute. Again, it's not a quilting related item. Interesting choice by Missouri Star Quilt Company, but the pom-poms are really cute, and I like it. You can also make tassels. Very cute. All right, very cute. I like it, and an interesting choice by Missouri Star Quilt Company nonetheless. All right, so day 11. Okay, this, it's got a big bump right here. And it almost feels like another one of the patterns. Ooh, it makes noise. I wonder what this is. Okay, well, we'll find out tomorrow for day 11 of the Countdown to Christmas. Thank you as always for joining me in this endeavor, for commenting, for giving me that thumbs up or thumbs down. Some people are giving me thumbs down. That's okay. Not everybody's gonna like everything, right? But whatever, I am all good with that. That's fine. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion about things, and I appreciate them all. So I will see you again, and I hope you take some time to sew and make something wonderful for this holiday season, and just have a great day. I'll see you soon.